Now to find the value of dx by dy, I will differentiate this given function with respect to y. So what I will get? Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I will explain you each and every step of solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. Find derivative of inverse function of the following. So this is given function y is equal to f of x, which is equal to x into 7 raised to x. Now we have to differentiate its inverse function. X is equal to f inverse of y, and its derivative will be with respect to y, that is dx by dy, and we have to find this dx by dy for inverse function of this given function. Now how to find this out? Let me show you. Solution. The first step is to write down the given equation. Y is equal to x into 7 raised to x. So we have noted down the given function. This is given function. Now to find the value of dx by dy, I will differentiate this given function with respect to y. So what I will get? Differentiate with respect to y. Then what I will get? Dy by dy is equal to. Now I will differentiate this function. Now these two functions are multiplied to each other. So I will use product rule to differentiate this function. So how to use that? Let me show you. Now this is first function and this is second function. So I will keep first function as it is and I will differentiate this second function 7 raised to x. So derivative of 7 raised to x is 7 raised to x into log of 7. Then plus. Now I will keep second function 7 raised to x as it is and I will multiply this 7 raised to x with derivative of x. So derivative of x is 1. Now after multiplying 7 raised to x with derivative of x, I will multiply this entire bracket with derivative of x with respect to y, that is dx by dy. Now I will simplify this further. So what I will get? This dy will get cancelled and it will give me 1. Here 7 raised to x is common. Then what I will get? X into log of 7 plus 1. And this dx by dy as it is. I will further simplify this and find out the value of dx by dy. And what I will get? 1 upon 7 raised to x into log of 7 plus 1. So in this way, I have find out the value of inverse function of this given function, that is dx by dy. This is our required answer. In this way, we find out the derivative of inverse function of this given function. I hope you have understood each and every step that I have explained you in this video. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.